Welcome back to Roam Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links from today's overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Xfinity Mobile. Today we're taking a look at Xfinity Mobile, found at xfinity.com/mobile. This site promises flexible phone plans and the power of Xfinity's vast Wi-Fi network to help you save money. Let's delve into what they offer and see if it lives up to the hype. Their homepage prominently features several key selling points. They emphasize savings, highlighting their by-the-gig data options that allow users to only pay for the data they use. This approach can be particularly appealing to those who don't consume large amounts of mobile data regularly. They also showcase their unlimited data plans for those who prefer the peace of mind of unlimited usage. It's a smart strategy to cater to both types of data consumers. Furthermore, the website emphasizes the extensive coverage provided by leveraging millions of Xfinity Wi-Fi hotspots nationwide. Connecting to these hotspots automatically can significantly reduce cellular data consumption and contribute to lower monthly bills. The website also boasts about its fast speeds and reliable network performance, crucial factors for a positive mobile experience. Xfinity Mobile emphasizes its flexible plan options, allowing customers to choose the plan that best suits their individual needs and budget. The website highlights the availability of popular mobile devices, suggesting a comprehensive selection of the latest smartphones. The promise of easy online switching and account management further adds to the appeal of Xfinity Mobile. Potential customers are likely looking for a streamlined and hassle-free experience when changing providers. Overall, the xfinity.com/mobile website presents a compelling case for their mobile service. They focus on affordability, flexibility, and a wide range of data options, all while leveraging the strength of their existing Wi-Fi network. This makes it an attractive option for anyone looking for a potentially more cost-effective and convenient mobile solution. Be sure to check out the link in the description below, and let me know what you think of Xfinity Mobile in the comments.